In this part, we are going to talk about how to select the HTML elements to add the style. And you can see in the HTML file, you have the headers, sections, and the paragraph tag. And now we are going to the styles. And if you look at the website, there are no styles at all. So we can first add the style to the header. So we just type header, and then we can type the font size of 50 pixels. So now you can see the headers has a larger text, and then we can add a background colors of blue, and we have the color of white, and then we want to select these sections because the tag is the section, so we just need to add the sections inside the styles, and then we set the height of 30%, and then we set the background colors of green or green yellow. Now we can also set the font size with a larger pixels, so font size is 100 pixels. Maybe we change this to 400 pixels, so you have a larger height of the sections. And then at last we set the paragraph with the color of blue, and at last maybe we can also add the text transform to the section, so we have a uppercase of the sections. So now you can see the text change to the uppercase. So this is how to select the HTML element in CSS.